let's give her a makeover. We're gonna turn her from this to this. Last year on a whim, I painted my mannequin blue to turn her into a ghost bride, but this year I figure let me switch it up and make her look like a statue instead for my front yard. So I'm doing this by mixing joint compound with latex paint to make monster mud. This is going to give her that statue-like feel and look. First of many. I'm applying the mixture over the entire body, including the dress that the mannequin's wearing, and fun fact, this was actually a mattress cover that I turned into a dress. I've had this crusty wig for years, so I wanted to see what it would look like covered in monster mud, and I have to say I'm happy with the results so far. So now I'm letting her dry. She looks absolutely terrifying. But now the next day, I'm going in and I'm starting to sand down those rough edges. Now I'm working on accessories. Yesterday we turned my mannequin white. The monster mud is hardened, and as you can see, hard as a rock. Even the wig. And the flowers. We're gonna shade and add detail. In fact, Michael's threw all of these bouquets away. As you can see, they still have the price tags on them and everything. Up first, we're gonna dry brush. Using exterior paint. Now I'm using the airbrush only to add some subtle detail. It looks crazy right now, but trust the process because I go back in with the dry paint brush and I tone all of those details down. I couldn't resist starting to play with the lighting. I'm testing out a few different colors. Let me know which one you think is the best.